going to be really cold for a few days. So what we're going to do, we've had some oranges this morning. But when it's going to be really cold, I'll like do cat food for a day before. And then we're going to do this. Here's a pound of burger. And they'll just peck around on that. Because this stuff that freezes, they'll just kind of go around and nibble on it. It'll melt like a Jolly Rancher. Okay, then this is oatmeal, tuna fish, a couple of boxes of macaroni and cheese noodles. And you don't necessarily have to cook it. Just let it soak. So this has been soaking for about an hour. And then there's about 5 pounds of taters right there. So we'll just splash this around and see. They love the oatmeal. These little oranges, I'll cut them, score them a little bit, and they'll nibble on those. But also they'll freeze and expand, and they'll bust open and peck on the oranges. I've told people there's a sound that goes with contentment. When I'm playing music or whatever we're doing, there's a frequency of contentment. I want you to listen to this in here. She didn't like that splatter though. All of this stuff helps retain moisture. You know, the dry feed sort of dries them out, but when it's going to be cold, we want to have as much, stay hydrated, and so let's feed stuff that hydrates. We'll go ahead and dump this out. The spoon was for theatrics. Remember, y'all, you can weatherize with your feed bags. I showed y'all that when we built it. Keep that wind out. Alright, let's go get the watering done.